Hello dear students, welcome to Servian.com career guidance portal. This is a tutorial about how to fill CAT 2017 application form. Visit the official website first. Click on registration for new user. Now enter your name. Enter your date of birth. Enter your email address. Confirm your email address. Select the country. Enter your mobile number and generate OTP. Fill the CAPTCHA code and click on submit. Now enter the OTP that has been sent to your mobile. Validate your OTP. Fill the CAPTCHA code again. Tick the box and click on submit. Now your registration details. Your registration is successful. Now fill the application form. Enter your father's name. Enter your mother's name. Other personal details. Select your category, nationality, gender. Now communication address. Enter your full address. Now enter alternate mobile number and alternate email address. Now upload documents. You can check the specification for uploading your documents like your photograph and your signature. Click here to upload scanned copy of your documents. First is your photograph. Click on upload. Next is your signature. Click on upload. Next is your qualifying details. Enter your 10th percentage, marks obtained, and your school name and board name. Next is your 12th qualifying details. Enter your percentage, total marks obtained, maximum marks, and your board in class 12. Your bachelor degree details. Enter these details. Verify these data with your certificates. Name of your college and your university name. Your degree course, discipline. Master degree details, tick on yes or no. Other professional degree details, tick on yes or no. Click on save and continue. This is work experience. Click on save and continue if you don't have any work or experience. Next is selecting the preference for IIMs. You can select the IIMs as per your preference. Next is exam city center preference. You can choose any 4 exam city center preference and then click on save and continue. Next is preview your application. You can preview your application and check your entries. If everything is correct, click on OK. Now enter the CAPTCHA code and tick on the declaration. Click on I agree and click on submit and pay examination fees. You can pay by using credit card, debit card or net banking. If you have any other queries, you can ask us on Servian.com. Thank you for watching.